Hi, Boo Boo. Boo Boo, you want to see the birdie? Are you scared? Boo Boo, you scared? Why are you scared? You scared, Boo Boo? No, be nice. Be nice.
We'll climb back to above average high temperatures as we work through the day and
Boo Boo, look, Boo Boo. Look, Boo Boo.
Still no big snowstorms on site, even on the long range chart.
Look, Boo Boo.
Wind flow.
Birdie.
Pick up the pattern.
Look, birdie.
Flow from the northwest, flow from the southwest. And really what's going to happen when you begin to look at say you can take a line, you go up, go right across from, say, Fargo, all the way down to Milwaukee. It's areas north of that line that have a chance of picking up some snow over the next 24
He's scared. He's scared of Birdie.
Get that flow out of the northwest, that promising area of snow. Look how quickly.
Look at Birdie on my shoulder.
First thing tomorrow morning, straddling I-35 and then fading very fast. Tomorrow we'll go.
Come here, Bird. Come on, Boo Boo. Come here, Boo Boo. Come on, Boo Boo. Oh, hell no. He's